Lesson: Global Standards for Blockchain Technologies. Blockchain technology, renowned for its decentralized and secure nature, has transformed industries ranging from finance to supply chain management. However, the proliferation of blockchain applications has also highlighted the need for global standards to ensure interoperability, security, and regulatory compliance. As a crucial component of the Certified Blockchain and AI Risk Management Professional course, understanding global standards for blockchain technologies is imperative. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can directly implement to navigate and manage the legal and regulatory challenges associated with blockchain technologies. One of the primary challenges in establishing global standards for blockchain is the technology's inherently decentralized nature. Unlike traditional financial systems governed by centralized entities, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer basis, which complicates the implementation of uniform standards. However, organizations such as the International Organization for Standardization have made significant strides in developing global blockchain standards. ISO's Technical Committee 307 focuses on standardizing blockchain and distributed ledger technologies to ensure interoperability and data exchange across borders. These standards provide a framework for organizations to develop blockchain solutions that are compatible with international norms, thus facilitating broader adoption. Practical tools and frameworks are essential for implementing these standards in real-world applications. The blockchain maturity model, for instance, offers a structured approach for organizations to assess their blockchain initiatives against established standards. This model enables businesses to identify gaps in compliance and areas for improvement, thus enhancing their risk management strategies. By using the BMM, organizations can systematically evaluate their blockchain solutions, ensuring they meet international standards for security, privacy, and interoperability. A key aspect of managing blockchain technologies within a global standard framework is understanding the regulatory landscape. Different countries have adopted varying approaches to blockchain regulation, with some embracing the technology and others imposing stringent controls. For example, Switzerland's Crypto Valley is a hub for blockchain innovation due to its favorable regulatory environment, whereas China has implemented strict regulations on cryptocurrency activities. Navigating these regulatory differences requires a deep understanding of local laws and the ability to adapt blockchain solutions accordingly. Legal frameworks, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, also impose specific requirements on data privacy that blockchain developers must consider. GDPR compliance necessitates implementing privacy by design principles, which can be challenging given blockchain's immutable nature. To address these challenges, the use of privacy-preserving technologies such as zero-knowledge proofs and secure multi-party computation can be instrumental. These technologies enable data verification without revealing the underlying data, thus aligning blockchain solutions with GDPR requirements. By integrating such technologies, organizations can ensure compliance with data protection regulations while maintaining the integrity and transparency of their blockchain networks. Moreover, industry-specific standards are emerging as blockchain applications expand into various sectors. In the finance sector, for instance, the Financial Action Task Force has established guidelines to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing through cryptocurrencies. These guidelines require virtual asset service providers to implement Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering measures, ensuring that blockchain transactions are traceable and compliant with international financial regulations. Implementing these measures requires robust identity verification tools and transaction monitoring systems, which are critical for organizations operating in the financial sector. Case studies provide valuable insights into how organizations are applying global standards in practice. IBM's Food Trust blockchain network, for example, illustrates the implementation of standardized protocols for supply chain transparency. By leveraging blockchain technology, IBM has created a network that enables stakeholders to trace the origin and journey of food products, ensuring compliance with safety standards and reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. This case study demonstrates the effectiveness of using blockchain to enhance supply chain management and regulatory compliance, highlighting the potential for similar applications in other industries. The role of international collaborations cannot be overstated in developing and enforcing global blockchain standards. Initiatives such as the European Blockchain Partnership and the Global Blockchain Business Council are fostering cross-border cooperation to harmonize blockchain regulations and standards. These collaborations aim to create a conducive environment for blockchain innovation while safeguarding against risks such as fraud and cyber attacks. By participating in such initiatives, organizations can stay abreast of regulatory developments and contribute to shaping the future of blockchain standards. In conclusion, global standards for blockchain technologies are crucial for ensuring the technology's interoperability, security, and regulatory compliance. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks such as the blockchain maturity model, privacy-preserving technologies, and industry-specific guidelines, professionals can effectively manage the risks associated with blockchain implementations. Real-world examples, such as IBM's Food Trust Network, demonstrate the tangible benefits of applying these standards, highlighting the importance of international collaboration in advancing blockchain innovations. As blockchain continues to evolve, staying informed about global standards and regulatory frameworks will be vital for professionals seeking to enhance their proficiency and navigate the complexities of this transformative technology.